The science of sexual attraction, psychological factors. Understanding the science of attraction is essential for gaining insights into human behavior and building healthier relationships. Attraction plays a pivotal role in forming connections, whether romantic, platonic, or professional. By delving into the psychological factors that influence attraction, we can gain a deeper understanding of why we are drawn to certain individuals and how these connections are formed. Attraction is a complex interplay of various factors, including physical appearance, personality traits, shared interests, values, and environmental influences. By unraveling the underlying mechanisms, we can make informed decisions about our relationships, enhance our social interactions, and even improve our self-awareness. The role of physical attractiveness. From an evolutionary standpoint, physical attractiveness has been a key factor in mate selection. Certain physical traits, such as symmetrical facial features, have been associated with better health and genetic fitness. These traits serve as signals of reproductive potential, triggering an innate attraction response. The halo effect refers to the tendency to form overall positive impressions of individuals based on a single positive characteristic. Physical appearance often acts as a prominent halo trait, influencing our initial perceptions of someone's personality, intelligence, and other qualities. This phenomenon can shape our level of interest and willingness to connect with others. Symmetry in facial features and body proportions has been linked to perceptions of beauty across cultures. Additionally, certain physical markers, such as facial symmetry, clear skin, and healthy hair, are associated with youthfulness and reproductive fitness. These features can trigger a subconscious attraction response in potential partners. While some aspects of physical attractiveness have universal appeal, cultural factors heavily influence our perceptions of beauty. Different societies have diverse beauty ideals and standards that shape individual preferences. Understanding these cultural variations helps us appreciate the subjective nature of attractiveness and challenges notions of a singular, universal standard of beauty. By examining the role of physical attractiveness and acknowledging its complex interplay with evolutionary, social, and cultural factors, we can gain a deeper appreciation for its influence on initial attraction. However, it is important to recognize that physical attractiveness is just one facet of the multifaceted phenomenon of human connection. The power of personality. The influence of personality traits on attraction. Personality traits play a significant role in attraction and forming connections. Certain traits tend to be universally attractive, such as kindness, trustworthiness, and warmth. These traits signal a person's ability to provide emotional support and create a sense of security in relationships. On the other hand, traits like narcissism, aggression, or dishonesty can repel potential partners or friends. Compatibility and the role of similar or complementary personalities. Compatibility in relationships is often linked to the similarity or complementarity of personalities. Similar personalities may create a sense of familiarity and shared values, leading to a stronger connection. Complementary personalities, where individuals have different but complementary traits, can also foster attraction by providing a sense of balance and filling in each other's gaps. The impact of humor, intelligence, and confidence on attraction. Humor, intelligence, and confidence are traits that often exert a strong influence on attraction. A good sense of humor can create a positive and enjoyable atmosphere, while intelligence can spark intellectual stimulation and admiration. Confidence, when displayed authentically, can be attractive as it signifies self-assuredness and assertiveness. The significance of emotional intelligence in forming connections. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage emotions, plays a vital role in forming meaningful connections. Individuals with high emotional intelligence are better equipped to navigate conflicts, empathize with others, and establish emotional intimacy. This capacity for emotional understanding and communication fosters deeper connections and enhances relationship satisfaction. Unconscious influences. The role of unconscious biases in attraction. Unconscious biases heavily influence attraction, often without our awareness. These biases can be influenced by societal norms, cultural conditioning, and personal experiences. Unconscious biases may manifest as preferences for certain physical features, ethnicities, or social backgrounds. Recognizing and challenging these biases is crucial for fostering more inclusive and diverse connections. Familiarity and the mere exposure effect. The mere exposure effect suggests that people tend to develop a preference for things or individuals they are familiar with. In the context of attraction, Repeated exposure to someone can increase our liking for them, even if the exposure is non-romantic or incidental. Familiarity can create a sense of comfort and trust, facilitating the formation of connections. Implicit egotism and our tendency to be attracted to people who resemble us. Implicit egotism refers to the unconscious preference for things, including people, that resemble ourselves. Research has shown that individuals are more likely to be attracted to others who share similarities in names, birthdays, or physical appearance. This subconscious bias can influence our initial attraction and the development of connections. The impact of scent and pheromones on subconscious attraction. Human scent and pheromones play a role in subconscious attraction. Pheromones are chemical signals released by the body that can influence emotions and behavior in others. While the exact mechanisms are still being explored, studies have suggested that pheromones can affect sexual attraction and create a subconscious pull towards certain individuals. Understanding these unconscious influences can shed light on the complexities of attraction and help us navigate our own biases and preferences. By becoming aware of these factors, we can make more conscious choices in our relationships and cultivate connections based on genuine compatibility and shared values rather than unconscious biases. Social and environmental factors. The importance of social context in attraction. Social context plays a significant role in shaping attraction. Our perceptions of attractiveness and desirability can be influenced by the social norms and expectations of the communities we belong to. Cultural ideals, media portrayals, and peer influences all contribute to our understanding of what is considered attractive. Additionally, social context provides opportunities for interactions and can facilitate the formation of connections. Social norms and their influence on attraction. Social norms dictate acceptable behaviors and standards within a particular society or group. These norms also extend to attraction and relationships. They can shape our preferences, define what is considered normal or desirable, and influence our choices of partners or friends. Understanding the influence of social norms can help us question and challenge rigid or limiting beliefs about attraction and create more inclusive and authentic connections. Proximity and the impact of physical distance on forming connections. Proximity plays a crucial role in attraction and the formation of connections. The mere presence of someone in our physical proximity increases the likelihood of interaction and familiarity. Proximity facilitates opportunities for shared experiences, conversations, and the development of emotional bonds. Whether in personal or professional contexts, physical distance or closeness can significantly impact the likelihood of forging connections. The role of culture, upbringing, and family dynamics in shaping attraction. Culture, upbringing, and family dynamics shape our beliefs, values, and preferences, including those related to attraction. Cultural norms and practices influence our understanding of gender roles, expectations in relationships, and even the choice of partners. The power of similar interests and values. Shared interests provide a foundation for bonding and connection. When individuals have common hobbies, activities, or passions, they often find it easier to relate to one another and engage in enjoyable shared experiences. Shared interests can create a sense of belonging, enhance communication, and facilitate the development of deeper connections. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.